Are you curious about winning free Bitcoin? Stick around and I'll show you how. First, head over to freebitcoin.in using the sign-up link below. Create your account. It's super easy and takes just a few seconds. Once you're in, look for the Spin and Win section. You can't miss it. Now, here's where the fun begins. Click on the wheel, give it a good spin, and watch it go. Cross your fingers, because you could land on some sweet Bitcoin prizes. And guess what? You can spin every hour. More spins, more chances to win. Plus, you get free lottery tickets and reward points with every spin. Pretty cool, right? So, what are you waiting for? Hit that link below, sign up, and start spinning your way to free Bitcoin today. Good luck! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome crypto tips. Catch you in the next video.